Hi guys, gusto mo bang malaman kung magkano ang matatanggap mo sa company mo in case na aalis ka na, magre-resign ka na, magpo-for good ka na? Ito ang tinatawag na gratuity. So, may ginawa ang Gulf News guys. Very easy siya na gamitin para makalaman mo kung magkano ang matatanggap mo na gratuity. So, I will show you guys. And if you want to use this one, i-copy paste nyo lang yung link na ilalagay ko sa comment section. So, ito, super easy niya. So, let's go. Just click this link, guys. Ayan. Dito siya, guys, may kita sa Gulf News and ginawa to ng Gulf News. And ipipill up nyo lang to, guys. Example, first working days ninyo is, let's say, April 2022. Done. And then last working days is April 2025. And then i-click nyo yung basic salary nyo. Let's say basic salary is 2,000. And then click nyo yung submit. Ayan, ito yung magiging gratuity nyo, guys. 4,204. Diba ang bilis? Gratuity calculator. Galing. Ayan, diba ang galing? And if you have any questions, guys, comment lang kayo and i-comment nyo magkano matatanggap nyo na gratuity. Uy, malaki na yan.